right? Now, basically, what is the subject matter of study, or you can say what is the scope of both of these disciplines, right? So, ethnology, what is the subject matter, or you can say scope of study? So, the subject matter of ethnology is basically the comparison of various cultures, right? Subject matter here is description, detailed description of all elements of culture, right? What are the elements here? Detailed description of various aspects or various elements of culture, right? That include the type of race, language, right? Social practices, customs, religion, right? Material culture, right? You can say level of technology, food habits. Every aspect of the culture is described in detail under ethnography. The purpose of ethnographer is to describe the entire detail, whole of the culture, right? Holistic aspect, right? So, entire whole is presented before you under ethnographies, right? Some famous ethnographers and some famous ethnologists, right? So, famous scholars, so famous ethnologists, you can say, whosoever have given the theories in anthropology, they can be termed on a broader sense as ethnologists, right? But in early anthropologists, they are termed as ethnologists, like James Fraser, Tyler. James Fraser is the one who wrote The Golden Bough, right? E.B. Tyler, right? Morgan, right? These are basically ethnologists. Ethnographer, whosoever have written ethnographies, so you can say E.B. Tyler, sorry, not E.B. Tyler, we have E.B. Tyler did not do any field work, right? He just visited Mexico and Cuba once. So, here in this side we can have Malinowski, who studied the Trobriand society, right? Pritchard, Evans Pritchard, his student. Even Brown, Radcliffe Brown, right? Mayor Fortis, these are ethnographers who went to the field, stayed there for substantial period of time, right? Learned their language and tried to participate in their day-to-day life and learned from them, and then wrote about them, right? Through participant observation, they wrote ethnographies, right? Now, what is the main methodology adopted by the ethnographers and ethnologies? So, what is the methodology adopted? So, main method that is adopted by ethnologists is comparative method, right? That means comparison of one culture with the other culture. They use historical method, right? They used, mainly they rely on the ethnographies, so they may or may not indulge in the field work, right? So, ethnologists may or may not do field work, right? Ethnographies are always written based on the personal experiences, right? Qualitative data collection, or you can say field work through participant observation, right? So ethnography is basically are based on field work. So it uses field work and participant observation, right? In-depth interviews, schedules, etc. So these are the main methods used in this, right? After that, what is the aim? What is the aim of ethnology? So aim of ethnology is to make theories, right? To develop theories, theory building, or generalization, right? You can say ethnology is nomothetic in approach, nomothetic in aim. You can say theory building, right? Here the main purpose is description, systematic description. It is not theory building here, right? Ethnologists can develop theories based on ethnographies, right? So it is description. So you can simply say that aim is description, right? Aim is, you can say, ideographic.